Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Bank of Ireland application crashing on your Android device. If you're experiencing issues with your Bank of Ireland application on your Android device since it keeps crashing, then here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Clear cache. Sometimes Android applications encounter issue due to cached data. Simply go ahead and tap open the Settings app from your Android device. Once you open up Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps option. Now you will come across the list of installed application on your Android device. From the list, look for Bank of Ireland mobile application and tap on it. Now tap on Storage. In the Storage option, go ahead and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right hand corner. Once you clear out the cache data, you can now restart the application from your app drawer and check if that fixes the issue. Step 2. Force stop and relaunch the app. Sometimes force stopping an application can help resolve crashing issues. Simply go ahead and scroll through your app drawer. Navigate the Bank of Ireland or BOI mobile application from your app drawer. Press and hold the application icon and tap on App Info. Now, click on Force Stop at the bottom right hand corner and click on OK in the pop-up. Wait for a few seconds and then reopen the Bank of Ireland application once again. Step 3. Update the app. It is crucial to update and have the latest version of the Bank of Ireland application installed on your device so that you can use the application to its fullest. To ensure that you have the latest version of Bank of Ireland app, first thing to do is to launch open the Google Play Store app. Now, once you launch open Google Play Store, go to the search box at the top and type in Bank of Ireland and search. Once you find the application, go ahead and look for an update button if available. Tap on the update button if there is any, and you will be able to start downloading the latest update for Bank of Ireland mobile banking app. If you don't see an update button, that is probably because you are already using the latest version of the app. So those were some of the fixes you could try and follow to resolve Bank of Ireland application crashing issue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.